Looking for a luxury condominium that makes an active lifestyle easy? Then I've got you. This 2-bedroom condo in Bridgwater Centre offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and lifestyle. With an in-ground pool for residents and an incredible location just steps from Altea Active and great shopping, coffee shops, and walking trails, you really are in the heart of it all. Enjoy the tour.
Close my eyes, I see you, I always do, 'cause we're dreaming with our eyes wide open. I can feel it, that forever's falling into you, falling into you, 'cause we're dreaming with our eyes wide open, wide open. In this moment that we're lost in, oh, it's magic, magic all around us. I can feel it, that we're falling, falling. Every time I close my eyes, I see you.
Thanks for watching. For more information on this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We're happy to guide you through the process.